Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Huckberry taco t-shirt. So, as on the tag, you see the Huckberry logo and Toyota Tacoma logo, or Toyota logo here, but it is a Toyota Tacoma t-shirt. So let's get into it. Got the last one of these. They ran out of stock after I got this on the Huckberry website. Cool collaboration between Huckberry and Toyota. So let's check out the tags first. Now that it's unboxed. Huckberry, Toyota, made in the USA. Check it out, check it out. Nice brown color. I'm typically not a huge fan of brown, but since it's to match when I'm driving my Tacoma, I had to get it. So it says taco up here, three colors. Very cool. Then on the bottom left of the user has the Huckberry logo here. Very cool. And nothing special on the back. This is the back side. Yeah, nothing special on the back or the sleeves, but subtle Toyota Tacoma Huckberry collaboration. All right, everyone, let me know what you think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Got more Huckberry and Toyota Tacoma collaboration stuff I'm unboxing on this channel coming up in future videos. All right, everyone, take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.